Today I'm going to show you how I ranked #1 on Google in just 21 hours using AI SEO. You're going to learn my secret hack that gets me 100,000 SEO visitors every single month. I'll show you how to instantly double your SEO results, plus the simple AI trick that makes your content 10 times better, and how to bypass AI detectors with one click. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me show you proof this actually works. If I type best SEO speakers into Google right now, you can see me ranking at the top. That's position #1. But here's where it gets crazy. If I search for best SEO training Japan, you can see me ranking not just once, but 4 different times on the same page. Look at this. Position 1, 2, 3, and 4. All me. This happened in just the last 7 days. One was posted yesterday, another 5 days ago. We're completely dominating Google using the exact strategies I'm about to share with you. Now, before I dive into the main hack, I need to tell you something that shocked me. My SEO mentor taught me everything about link building and SEO. This guy did everything right. He hired expert human writers, never used AI, built quality backlinks for free. He even bought every single product he reviewed on his website and shipped them to his writers. That cost him thousands of dollars. His content was 100% helpful and valuable, but guess what happened? He still got destroyed by Google's helpful content update. His traffic went from 150,000 visitors per month down to almost 0, just like that. It was brutal to watch. This is someone who followed all the rules and still got wiped out. That's when I realized something huge. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket when it comes to SEO. Your website can be on top of the world one day, you can do everything perfectly, and you can still get hit by a crazy Google update. That's the reality of SEO today. So, what's the solution? This is my first big secret. Don't just post on one platform. Spread your content across multiple platforms, like an investor spreads their money across different stocks. I post the same content on Medium, LinkedIn, my main website, and other high-quality platforms. But here's the key. I'm not spamming. I'm creating genuinely helpful content that's better than everything else out there. That's why it ranks so well and stays ranking. This strategy completely protects you from getting destroyed by algorithm updates. If one platform gets hit, you still have traffic coming from 5 other sources. I want to tell you about something special. If you want to learn these advanced strategies in detail, join my SEO Elite Circle community. The link is in the description. It's where I share my latest SEO discoveries with serious entrepreneurs who want to dominate search results. Now, let me show you how I get 100,000 SEO visitors in one single month using this same technique. If we look at my YouTube analytics over the last 28 days, you can see I got 412,000 total views. That's pretty good for free traffic, but here's the mind-blowing part. If I go to traffic sources and look at external traffic, I got nearly 102,000 visitors from SEO alone. That's pure Google search traffic hitting my YouTube videos. This all comes down to publishing across platforms. You never know which piece of content is going to explode. You never know how long these traffic sources will last. SEO is volatile. Even if you do everything right, you can still get hit. But by spreading my content across multiple platforms, I protect myself. And as you can see, I got almost 102,000 SEO visitors in 28 days completely free using YouTube. Here's what's crazy about user-generated content platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. They tend to rank really well in Google, and they stay ranking even after core updates. Google loves these platforms. Let me show you a real example. Yesterday, I published a video on YouTube. Remember, YouTube is completely free to post on. You don't need expensive tools or anything fancy. If I check the URL from that video I published just 21 hours ago, it's already getting 6,900 visitors in 21 hours. That's the power of this strategy. The content itself, I record it using an AI program called Descript. This tool automatically edits out filler words, removes silences, and helps me create screen recordings super fast. It basically does all the editing work for me so I can focus on creating valuable content that ranks quickly on Google. That's exactly how I got 102,000 visitors in just 28 days. And I've shown you the proof that it actually works, but there's more. You don't just get SEO traffic from this strategy, you instantly double your SEO traffic because you rank inside YouTube's search engine and Google's search engine at the same time. You're literally double dipping your content. Not only that, you can take up multiple spots on the first page of Google by creating useful content on YouTube. So instead of ranking once, you rank multiple times for the same keyword. Let me show you what I mean. If I search for AI SEO on Google, you can see my video from March ranking there. But look at this. In the same search results, my video published 3 days ago is also ranking right there. By using this approach, I instantly double my traffic and reach with SEO because I can get multiple videos ranking on the same page of Google for the same keyword. Now here's how to track everything so you know what's actually working. Inside each post, I set up UTM links that track the source of traffic. This way, I can easily figure out which content is bringing in the most visitors and which platforms are performing best. You can see in this example how the UTM parameters track exactly where the traffic is coming from. This data is gold because it tells you what to focus on and what to ignore. Now I promised I'd show you how to bypass AI detectors with one single click. This is a free hack I discovered less than 24 hours ago. First, let me prove that AI content gets detected. If I take this AI-generated content and run it through Originality AI, you can see it shows 100% confidence that this is AI-generated content. Now here's the magic trick. I take that same content and paste it into Claude with a special prompt. Claude rewrites the content to sound more human. Then I take the rewritten content and scan it again in Originality AI. Look at this result. The content now shows as 100% likely human written. The AI detector completely missed it. There might be a few small grammar mistakes, but you can edit those in a couple minutes. The important thing is you've transformed AI content into human-sounding content for free. Claude is free to use, and this prompt works every single time. I've run over 100 different experiments to perfect this prompt, and it works like magic every time. Finally, here's the content strategy that makes your AI content 10 times better. I call it my SEO quality control blueprint. Most people just generate AI content and publish it. That's a huge mistake. The content usually sounds robotic and provides no real value to users. Google can spot this stuff from a mile away. But if you run your AI content through my quality control process, you can turn generic AI text into something that's actually helpful for users and search engines. This process separates spammy AI content from high-quality, human-edited content that gets the best of both worlds. It combines the speed of AI with the quality of human editing. This one strategy will completely level up your content and separate you from all the other people just copy-pasting AI content. The secret is in the editing process. You take the AI-generated foundation, and then you add your own expertise, real examples, and personal insights. You fact-check everything, you make sure it actually helps people solve their problems. That's what Google rewards, content that genuinely helps people, not just AI-generated fluff that sounds good, but provides no real value. When you combine this editing process with the cross-platform publishing strategy I showed you earlier, you create a content machine that's almost impossible to stop. You're not dependent on one platform, your content actually helps people, and you're using AI to speed up the creation process without sacrificing quality. This is exactly how I've been able to dominate search results across multiple platforms, while my competitors struggle with algorithm updates. The key insight here is that AI is not a replacement for human expertise. It's a tool to amplify your expertise. You still need to add your knowledge, your experience, and your unique perspective to the content. But when you do it right, you can create content 10 times faster than traditional methods while maintaining the same quality level. The people who understand this are going to dominate SEO in the next few years. The people who just rely on raw AI output are going to get crushed by algorithm updates. This is the future of content creation. It's not about replacing humans with AI. It's about using AI to make humans more productive and effective. But you have to know how to do it right. Most people are using AI completely wrong and wondering why their content doesn't rank or convert. The difference between success and failure comes down to the quality control process. That's what separates the winners from the losers in this new AI-powered SEO landscape. I've been testing these strategies for months now. I've spent thousands of dollars on experiments. I've tracked every single metric you can imagine, and these are the exact methods that work consistently. The cross-platform publishing strategy protects you from algorithm updates while maximizing your reach. The AI humanization technique lets you create content faster without getting penalized. And the quality control process ensures your content actually helps people and ranks long-term. When you combine all three strategies, you create a content system that's incredibly powerful and sustainable. You're not playing games with Google's algorithm. You're not trying to trick anybody. You're just creating genuinely helpful content more efficiently than your competitors. That's a winning formula that will work for years to come. Remember, the goal isn't just to rank on Google. The goal is to build a sustainable business that helps people solve real problems. SEO is just the vehicle to get your helpful content in front of the right people. But when you do it right, like I've shown you today, the results can be absolutely incredible. 100,000 visitors per month, multiple first-page rankings, content that ranks in 21 hours instead of 21 weeks. This isn't theory, this isn't wishful thinking. This is exactly what I'm doing right now to grow my business and help my clients grow theirs. The strategies I've shared with you today are the same ones I use to run my seven-figure SEO agency. They're the same ones I teach to my students who have generated millions of dollars in additional revenue using these methods. And now you have access to them too. So, let me recap everything I've shown you today. First, the 10x SEO traffic hack using cross-platform publishing. Instead of putting all your content on one platform, you spread it across multiple high-quality platforms to protect yourself from algorithm updates and maximize your reach. Second, how I get 100,000 SEO visitors per month using YouTube. By creating valuable video content optimized for search, you can rank in both YouTube and Google simultaneously, effectively doubling your SEO traffic. Third, how to bypass AI detectors with one click using Claude and a special humanization prompt. This lets you create content faster while avoiding AI detection penalties. Fourth, the quality control process that makes your AI content 10 times better by adding human expertise, real examples, and genuine value for users. And finally, proof that every single method works with real traffic numbers and ranking examples. If you want to take this even further, I've got two special offers for you. First, if you want to join a community of serious entrepreneurs who are implementing these exact strategies, check out my SEO Elite Circle. The link is in the description. This is where I share my latest discoveries and help members dominate their markets using advanced SEO techniques. Second, if you want a personalized strategy for your specific business, book a free SEO strategy session with my team. The link is in the comments and description. We'll show you exactly how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors per month and generate thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot. In that free session, you'll get a custom SEO domination plan. You'll discover the secrets of link building that most people never learned. We'll answer any questions you have. You'll learn the best link building strategies for your specific website, plus how to 10x your SEO traffic using what's actually working right now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment below and let me know which strategy you're most excited to implement. Julian reads every single comment, so your feedback helps shape future content. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and SEO strategies that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.